I got an awesome new item for you today. This is a foam cannon. Let's open it up and see what's all included. You got your container, your hardware. It comes with some tubing, a brass connector. It also comes with another orifice. This is for running lower pressure. This is between 1,000 and 2,000 psi. The stock one is between 2,000 and 4,000. It also comes with some more pressure washer nozzles. This holds all your different nozzles. Like that, it keeps them all in one place. That's a pretty cool feature. It also comes with some instructions. It also comes with this sprayer. This thing feels really solid. The inside on this is made out of brass. With the front of this nozzle, you can adjust the fan width of your spray. And you can also adjust how much soap you want to run through the sprayer with a top adjustment. Let's get this all put together and go check it out. First, you want to connect your tubing to the bottom, just like that. Then you want to put it inside your container. Then you want to put your brass fitting on the bottom of your sprayer. And then connect it together. And this is what it looks like all put together. You can also take this off and change the tip on just like that. Very easy to change these tips out. All right, let's go see this thing in action. All right, first you want to add your soap. Then you want to add your water. So if you want to adjust the fan of the spray, all you do is twist this front knob and you can change the width of your spray. And also if you got too much soap coming out, you can adjust that with this top nozzle.